how a stunning living room can truly transform not just your space, but your whole vibe. Picture this, a dull, cluttered living room transformed into a breath of fresh air with just a few simple tweaks. Today, we're diving into how you can make that happen in your own home. First off, let's tackle the elephant in the room, space. Think multi-purpose furniture and clever storage solutions that not only save space, but also add a touch of style. Next up, lighting. It's all about setting the mood. Soft, layered lighting can turn your living room from a basic area to a cozy sanctuary perfect for both lively gatherings and quiet evenings. And don't forget about personal touches. A unique piece of art, colorful throw pillows, or even a custom coffee table can tell your story without words. Ready to breathe new life into your living room? These transformations aren't just about aesthetics. They're about creating a space where you can truly feel at home. So what's your next step going to be? Drop a comment below and let's make magic happen together.